Over the years, I've used many methods to secure hammer handles, different kinds of wedges, metal and wooden, various hammer eye configurations, epoxies, liquid latex rubber, applying direct heat to handles to drive out moisture, etc. Always trying to improve and avoid looseness, especially given the high humidity here in Taiwan and big humidity fluctuations compared to most locations. I've had very good success with my latest method you see here, using this 1 millimeter thick oil-resistant rubber. I need to thank Chris Tiblier for his generous donation to my channel. Thanks very much, sir. It's very much appreciated. It takes some extra hammering in this way to get the handle seated, but it's exactly that friction that helps keep the handle secure. So there it is. In addition to securing hammer head and handle, I've noticed the rubber lends it a sort of shock absorber quality. I feel less of a direct connection between the metal and wood, and so less transfer of vibration to my hand. I'm really pleased with this method, and I don't know why I didn't think of it sooner. Catch you guys next time.